Elephant Racing's front and rear adjustable length drop links for 1989 through 1994 C4 and C2 Porsche 964s allows you to eliminate preloaded sway bar for maximum performance. The ideal sway bar is completely unloaded at static ride height. Stock drop links almost always preload the sway bar since the car doesn't fit perfectly level due to asymmetries, such as driver weight. A preloaded sway bar shifts the weight carried by each of the tires, increasing grip on the weighted tires at the expense of decreasing grip on the unweighted tires. The shifted weight and grip causes uneven handling in left and right turns, and premature brake lockup since the less loaded tire locks up first. Preload can be completely eliminated by adjusting drop link length, resulting in optimized sway bar performance. Elephant Racing's adjustable drop links are available for both front and rear applications. A direct bolt-on replacement, and they feature maintenance-free precision rod ends. They're fully weather sealed to keep out dirt, contaminants, and to ensure a long life on the street or track. Available for 1989 through 1994 C4 and C2 964 Porsche 911s.